Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. I'm out here with my buddy Mong, old time volleyball friend, and we came out here the first night. It was okay, it was windy, we caught that big one. You guys are gonna watch in this video. I didn't make an intro, I didn't make any explanation why, because we didn't know what the heck we were doing. We were just out here having a good time. It's his first time on a boat out here on the lake that we were fishing in the fall time. Not his first time on a boat, but out here fishing for the fall time for walleyes. My mic went dumb on me, and it just didn't catch any good audio, so here it is. Watch this, and I'll talk to you guys again. Oh, dude, I think I had another one. Shoot, I wasn't paying attention. There, he's on, bro. He came back. Get the net. That's a big one. That's a big one, bro. He's back. Get the net. He came back for it. That's a big one. Oh my gosh, that's a big bass, dude. I mean, big walleye. That's a big walleye, dude. Over here. Yeah, that's a big one. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that's a tank, dude. That's a tank.
Come over here. Get in!
Oh, let's go, dude! Let's go! That's a freaking tank! Oh. That thing's huge! Oh my gosh! Definitely not keeping this one, but this will be for a show. That's a freaking huge fish! Look at the size on that thing! Oh my gosh! I'm so sorry, guys. Alright, guys, so I don't know what the hell just happened there. I'm out here with my buddy Mong. It's just so exciting to be out here because you don't know what's gonna hit, you don't know what's gonna bite. I thought it was a pike because I saw a pike cruising by the shoreline, and sure enough, you guys saw me like just overly excited because like big walleyes like that are hard to come by, especially in local lakes. So we're gonna go ahead and take some pictures, show you guys in a video, and then we're gonna release it. I don't keep these big ones, in my opinion. I don't like eating them. Again, caught on the Akuma DTR custom rod. You guys see it right there, DTR. You guys know this rod. 12-pound test, fluoro. On my favorite Mr. Clutch Jenko jerkbait 110. That's the color right there. I think this is like the threadfin color. It's like that reflecting purple rainbow color. I'm gonna leave the links down below. This color right here is money, right here. You guys see that? Just completely destroyed it. So let's go ahead and show this beast. Here we go, guys. This is one big walleye. Best one of the season yet. So that's a nice freaking walleye. I don't want to hold out too long. Get some pictures and we're gonna release it. Look at the face on that thing. Look at the eyes. That is so cool, man. Alright, we're gonna get a measurement and we're gonna let it go. So stay tuned. Here you go, guys. Big mama going back. Just aim at the fish. Yep. Oh, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. There it is, guys. That big old beast going back. What do you call it? 27-incher, and it's gone. Woo! Nice, dude. Good job. Thanks. So hopefully you guys enjoy that first action clip of us. I mean, I was freaking out because it was the first time being out here. It's just fun to just fall time, throw jerkbait, catch walleyes, largemouth, whatever else out there, muskies, pikes. You just never know what you're gonna catch. So that's what's so fun about like the night bite, right? That's why we're out here. With that being said, quick intro. The sun is like cooking my face right now. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys. We're already out in the water, so. Alright guys, so we are finally going to start walleye fishing. We went around, messed around, caught a pike. We were just trying to find crappies and largemouth, stuff like that. We failed, but it's okay. Our goal here is to catch some walleyes. I don't care. One big one, that's all I'm asking for, just one big one. Or even just 5 nice ones. I'll be happy with that. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's getting really choppy out. It's windy. I had to cover up the mic, so hopefully the mic's doing okay. Other than that, we're gonna give it a shot, and hopefully it turns out good. I don't know. I might have to move around, like fish the shorelines a little bit. As you guys know, the walleyes are moving closer to the shoreline as the sun goes down. They're hugging, looking for bait fish, crappies, bluegills, stuff like that. And let's hope tonight's the night where I can put my buddy on a big fish and break his PB. So with that being said, stay tuned. I'll see you guys again out here on the water. Yeah. There you go. All right. It's getting dark, guys. Now's the time. Now is the time. You gotta hang this guy up so it dries. Hopefully my mic is working. I'm gonna use the jerkbait, Jenko jerkbait. There you go. A hit?
Yep.
Yeah? You got some? Nah. What'd you get? Oh, it's a fish. It's a walleye. Bring it in, bro. Yeah, my boy's on. Let's go. We were just saying. Oh, Daddy got one. Alright, show it to the camera, bro, whenever you're ready. On that Jingle jerkbait, right?
Yep.
Ooh, show. Bring it in. Let's see. Nice, dude. Let's go. Smack. All right, little guy. Going back. I'll toss it. See ya. Yeah? Nah. Dang, dude. You calm down, bro. Digging? That's a nice one, dude. That's a nice one. Yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah, yep. Careful. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, jeez. Let's go.
Nice.
It's a decent one, dude.
You think it's 18?
It might. I got my bump for it. It might. Enjoy the net. Yeah, same spot, yeah. That was probably the one.
It's almost out.
Oh, jeez. Jeez, Mom.
Damn, what'd you do, dude?
Alright, there you go.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Going back in.
Oh shit.
He's good, bro. He's gonna have to go.
Hey, you got something to wipe that?
No, it's fine, dude. Nah. Really? What, dude? You need to calm down, bro. Hold on. Big one? Here. Oh, that's nice, dude. That's nice, yeah. Ooh. Yep. Oh, no, that's actually pretty good. I got you.
Small.
Yeah, he's stocky. Dang, bro. Same spot, right?
Oh no, he just
Right? Yeah, it's dark. Here, give me the plier. I'll help you out so it's faster. You're on fish, man. I want you to keep fishing now. I don't know. Yeah. This one might be a hair shy. I guarantee you, watch. It's gonna be a hair shy, watch. Oh, yep, 17 exactly.
Same guy.
You wanna take a picture? Here, hold it up.
Sure.
Okay.
Hey. Alright.
Alright,
It's
catch
so
and release.
Good.
See ya. Good job, dude. Hell yeah.
That's a nice one.
You're getting close. Yeah, getting close.
You can tell with that one working out with that.
Yep.
They blind, man. They don't.
Oh, I go. Yep, net. Yeah, he's not gonna cut it. Ah.
Start.
Yeah, we got one. Look, T-boned it too. Jeez, he's fish, dude. We gotta really slow down.
Not bad.
Got the middle hook actually. This one's actually really stocky. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, all right. See ya. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was just a short outing. Again, I'm tired. I just got back. I didn't make a closure out there because why? It's dark out there. It's pitch black. We were just packing up. Wind picked up, packed up, and ready to go. You know, like just head home, knock out, and start all over again, pretty much. So yeah, that's why I didn't choose to make a closure. But so yeah, here I am. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button. Please comment down below. Hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. Peace.